We Indian women are still dependent on a partner or a friend when it comes to traveling. If you are someone who squashes her travel dreams just because she cannot find someone to go with, or solo travel seems a distant, unsafe, untouchable concept, then this video is just for you. Don't let those dreams to see the world just be fulfilled by travel videos on YouTube and safari documentaries on Netflix. Get the inner Ibn Battuta out and put on your Dora backpack. It's time for you to reclaim your dreams and get your bags packed. In this video, we will show you a few tips on how to do just that. Do your research. It is always important to research the place you are traveling. Gather information regarding the demography of the place, the culture, and the safety of that region. If you are traveling abroad, then find out the visa formalities and exchange rates. You don't need to make it too complex, but having the basic information will surely come in handy. Pack light. Try and pack light because it will help you to stay charged and you can move around easily. You may be moving across different kinds of terrains, so if you will pack light, then you will avoid a lot of trouble. Pack only necessary items such as a few clothes according to the weather of the place, daily essentials, and you're good to go. Always keep an extra pair of pads if you're expecting your periods. Actually do that even if you are not. You know the age-old attraction that periods have to trips. Stock up on essential medications because you might not be able to find them where you're going. Plan your first day. Always try to reach your destination at around noon. That gives you the whole night to rest and you can start your next day with new energy. Plus, if your accommodation is far from the airport or station, then traveling to your hotel for the first time during the day will seem much more comfortable. Plus, the view during the travel will be an added bonus. Share your itinerary with someone you trust. Always keep one trusted friend or family member in the loop when you are traveling alone. Keep them informed about the details of your stay and transportation. In case you will land in any kind of trouble, it will be easy for them to track you down. Also, stay in touch on social media or messaging apps and keep updating the status of your journey. This way, your well-wishers would know that you are safe and sound. Of course, this also means that make sure you buy a local SIM card or have an essential roaming package. Blend in. When you do your research, learn about the culture of the place a bit and try to blend in. Don't draw too much attention, especially with overly branded and expensive travel clothes and accessories, and getting wads of money out to pay for things. Be like you would be going to your local market. Try local things, shop and eat at local markets. Travel during the daytime if possible. If you're going from one place to another and if it is a long journey, especially through deserted roads, then do it during the daytime. As much as we would like to have the freedom to travel at our convenient times, we know we still have a long way to go to enjoy that freedom. If you're driving, then the strain will definitely be lesser during the day and you will be able to see so much more of the region. Never hitchhike during nighttime, of course. Even during the daytime, limit hitchhiking if that particular region is known to be safe for girls. Keep an eye out for your belongings. This point is really obvious, but we thought we should still add it as a reminder. Always keep your important belongings like your phone, wallet, camera, passport in a secure place. Keep an extra copy of your documents with your trusted contact. In crowded places, do not keep it in your general bags or too exposed. Like keep these things in the middle pocket of the bag so there will be less chance of pickpocketing. Only take out these things when necessary. Keep your camera strapped to your shoulder or hands. Trust your instinct. If you ever feel like something is weird about a specific place or you feel threatened by a certain person, then get out of there immediately. It is better to be presumptive than regret it later. When you're traveling alone, safety is of utmost importance because you will not have immediate backup. So whenever you feel something is fishy, then get out of there pronto. Always be open to changes. Keep one thing in mind always, that more often than not, travel doesn't go the way you planned it. You will face sudden changes in your accommodation or transportation or even your expectations of these. Do not panic. Just analyze the situation calmly and don't get overly aggressive with people. Your safety is your priority. Not a very difficult list to follow, isn't it? Especially considering the memories you will build along the way than when you don't try solo travel at all. So stay aware, stay safe, and keep exploring.